Hey guys, it's Mike from Fishing and Fabricating. Today, I pulled the old boat out of storage. I haven't had this thing out in a while. We've been using my brother-in-law's boat and Victor's boat, but I'm gonna be going down to Detroit River this weekend and do a little fishing. So, actually, next week. So I thought, I've had some trouble. Motor runs good, always has, but for some reason, well, I added a floor to it a few years ago. It's been probably, 6-7 years ago. And part of it's just a little bit too heavy for the 15 horse Evinrude I have on here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to reduce some of that weight today. As nice as it looks and everything, it's just not practical. It's not doing what I thought it would do. Which was going to make it more comfortable, and actually it's less comfortable now because when you're motoring there's no place to sit. So I'm going to leave the front deck and I'm going to leave the back deck, but I think everything in between's coming out, so it'll just be a regular bottom in between. I might leave this section, see if I can tip you down. This is in the back. I'll take this out though, but I might leave that floor. We'll see. We'll see how much weight we get out of it. Sorry, I'm trying to use my phone here. I don't have the camera today. I'm gonna see if I get this weight out of here first, and if it makes a big difference, because there is 2 batteries in here too, one for the trolling motor. And then one that starts the engine plus runs the fish graft. So, that's, I don't know, got to be 60 pounds at least right there. One way we could reduce that weight would be to get some lithium batteries, but that's really not in the budget right now. So I'm not gonna fret about it too much. I'm just gonna get it done. I've been thinking about it for about 3 years now. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna be doing. You'll kind of see as I go along here, and I might slow down a little bit to show you what I'm doing, but for the most part, I think I'm just gonna go at it. So let's get started. This is the floor I'm taking out. It's got a couple hatches in it as well, which was kind of nice. This one over here too. I mean, it was great when I did it. Got nice bottoms in them, and it was working for storage and whatnot. But you get all that storage here, you end up storing a bunch of stuff you never use. And I don't know why I got a 14-mile long thing on here. Well, I was using this for something else a minute ago, so. Take the measuring tape off. We're gonna put this back on because I really like having this. I like having this measuring thing on here. When I go to Detroit, I usually carry a bump board though. But when we're out bass and pike fishing or whatever, especially you catch a big northern or muskie or something, that longer tape's good to have. All right, so what I think I'm gonna do then next is take these doors off so I can see. All right, I found the problem. I didn't realize that this is part of the frame underneath, and I had this screwed to the top of it, which makes sense now that I see it. Yeah, so now it should come out. If there ain't looks like there might be one more somewhere. Right there. Maybe. Yep. There's one. Little screws all over the place, man. There we go. A little door. It has a rope on it. We gotta cut that. We got to cut that. Get that off there. There we go. Now this thing should come out. Just like that. Now, as you can see, I got it all nice and framed in down here. And everything's really holding up nice. Where I'm gonna run into problem is in the center right here, because I do have this, and that has my wires in it. So I think we can work around that. Let's see, we'll start by getting a drill. Now we can take these out. Most of you guys have probably drilled out a rivet before, but thought I would see if I could help people that maybe hasn't. Let me see if I can get my phone locked in a little better. So anyway, you just take a drill, and it just has to be a little bit bigger than the stem part of the rivet, because what you're trying to do is just drill that cap off. There's a hole there. Just like that. Sometimes I get Jimmy jammed down there pretty good. I'm going all the way through just to get everything out of it. Alright guys, we're getting a pretty good thunderstorm right now, but Bud Zero. Everybody thinks I'm crazy because I drink beer with no alcohol in it, but I don't like, I like the taste of beer. I know most people say they don't drink beer because they like the taste, but I actually do. So, but I don't like getting wasted, so I drink a few of these. And they also have zero sugar. So I mean, it tastes like beer and it quenches your thirst. I like it. Anyway, not sponsored, unless they want to. If you want to sponsor me, Budweiser, I'll take some Bud Zero. All right, let's get busy sweeping this garbage out of the bottom of this boat. robbers and weights and all kinds of goodies. But yeah, I don't plan on entering any bass tournaments here, so I mean, we're just an old fishing boat. We're not out looking for hotties or nothing. I mean, I got a hottie. I've been married to her for 41 years. She likes my boat. All right, let me show you what's going on over here. This is what's going on over here. Nice thunderstorm, man. Oh, she's a light show. Oh, I left my tractor outside. Oh well, it needed a good wash. Probably shouldn't be even out here, to be honest with you, but I am, so. Alright. I think that's about it. Woo, that was a good one, man. Man, that was close, too. Alright, so, yeah, I'm going to give up for tonight. And probably not even going to come back to this video. I mean, you guys kind of get the gist of what I was doing, so maybe the next time you see this boat, Vic and I will be out fishing in it. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let your friends know who we are and that we're out there, and hope you enjoyed the video. Alright, talk to you next time. Peace.